Imagine waking up at 3 a.m., heart racing, mind buzzing, unable to fall back asleep. The room is quiet, but your body feels alert, tense, and restless. You glance at the clock again, frustration building, wondering why your sleep has betrayed you yet again. For many over 60, this isn't just a rare interruption. It's a nightly struggle that leaves you exhausted, anxious, and worried about your health. The truth is, your body is changing in ways you may not fully notice during the day. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, can spike at night, triggering wakefulness just when your body needs rest. Blood sugar levels may dip unexpectedly, nudging your nervous system into alert mode, while natural declines in melatonin and other sleep hormones make it harder to drift back into deep sleep. It's a complex interplay, but the good news is, small, intentional choices can make a real difference. There are specific foods that interact with these processes, helping to calm your nervous system, stabilize blood sugar, and gently encourage the natural rhythm of sleep. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through 5 carefully selected foods that do exactly this, each chosen for its unique ability to restore calm and relaxation. And while each one works on its own, there's a sequence to follow that can make the effect even stronger. By the end, you'll know exactly what to reach for when 3 a.m. strikes, giving your body the support it needs to fall back asleep naturally. Let's talk about the first food that can quietly reset your sleep: honey. You've likely tried warm milk or herbal teas, hoping for a gentle nudge back to sleep, only to find your body still restless in the early hours. Honey works in a way that feels almost counterintuitive. It's natural sugar, yet it doesn't spike your system in the harsh way processed sweets do. Instead, it gently raises your blood sugar just enough to prevent that dreaded 3 a.m. cortisol surge that jolts you awake. When your blood sugar dips too low at night, your body interprets it as a stress signal, releasing cortisol and telling your nervous system to wake up. A teaspoon of honey helps maintain a steadier level, keeping your body in a calmer state and making it easier to drift back into sleep. But there's more going on beneath the surface. Honey also supports your liver's glycogen stores, which act as a quiet energy reserve for your brain while you rest. When these stores are sufficient, your brain doesn't feel the need to trigger wakefulness, allowing your nervous system to settle naturally. Essentially, honey gives your body a small but meaningful boost, reinforcing your natural sleep rhythm without chemicals, pills, or complicated routines. Taking it is simple. A single teaspoon just before bed, or even when you wake in the night, can make a noticeable difference. Some people like it on a warm herbal infusion, while others prefer it straight. The key is consistency. Your body responds best when it knows this gentle signal is coming each night. Even with its subtle power, honey alone isn't enough to fully reset your restless night. It's like laying the foundation for a house. It stabilizes the base, but the next food adds layers that calm your nervous system even further, deepening relaxation and supporting the natural flow of sleep hormones. Once we combine these steps, you'll notice a shift. The tension that kept you awake starts to melt, your mind quiets, and your body finally begins to tell you it's safe to rest. That next food is not just a companion to honey. It enhances the effect, creating a rhythm that your body recognizes as a signal to return to deep, restorative sleep. In the next section, you'll discover exactly what it is and how it works in harmony with honey to help you reclaim those precious hours of rest. Now let's move on to the second food, warm milk. You might think of it as an old-fashioned remedy, something your parents or grandparents recommended, but there's real science behind its calming effect. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which your body uses to produce serotonin, the neurotransmitter that stabilizes mood and promotes a sense of calm. Serotonin then converts into melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. This natural chain gently nudges your nervous system toward relaxation, helping you sink back into sleep instead of tossing and turning in frustration. The effect is subtle but powerful, especially when combined with the foundation we just set using honey. Interestingly, you don't need a full glass to get results. Just 2 to 3 sips are enough. A larger portion could spike your blood sugar, which might trigger a counterproductive cortisol response in sensitive bodies, the very thing we're trying to avoid at 3 a.m. These small sips, however, provide enough tryptophan to support your brain's sleep chemistry without overwhelming your system. It's a delicate balance, a measured dose for maximum effect. When taken alongside the teaspoon of honey we discussed earlier, the combination works synergistically. Honey stabilizes blood sugar and supports liver energy stores, while milk contributes to calming neurotransmitters, creating a quiet, supportive environment for sleep to return naturally. This stepwise approach is essential for those over 60 whose bodies may no longer respond as efficiently to the cues that once regulated sleep. By layering these small, strategic interventions, you reclaim a sense of control over your nights, rather than feeling like your sleep is slipping away. You start to notice subtle differences. Your mind is calmer, your body less tense, and the sense of dread that comes from staring at the clock begins to fade. Each sip becomes more than just a drink. It's a signal to your body that rest is possible. And yet, even with honey and milk, there's still one more missing piece to this puzzle. The next food is something you probably already have in your kitchen, a simple ingredient that works like magic to quiet a racing mind and amplify the calming effects of what we've already done. It's the step that transforms these small habits into a complete solution, ensuring that when 3 a.m. strikes, your body and mind are ready to return to deep restorative sleep. Now let's bring in the third food, half a banana. Many people over 60 notice their muscles tighten at night, legs twitch, or they toss and turn despite trying everything to relax. Bananas can help address that tension naturally. They are rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals essential for calming nerves and relaxing muscles. Potassium helps your muscles contract and then release smoothly, while magnesium quiets overactive nerve signals that can trigger restlessness. Together, these minerals reduce the nighttime tension that often wakes you or keeps you from falling back asleep. It's a subtle effect, but when your body feels more at ease, your mind follows, and the whole process of sleep becomes easier. It's important to eat just half a banana. While bananas are healthy, they contain natural sugars that can spike your blood sugar if you overeat, potentially prompting your body to release cortisol, the stress hormone that wakes you up in the middle of the night. A half portion is enough to provide meaningful amounts of potassium and magnesium without upsetting the balance we've been carefully building with honey and warm milk. The timing matters as well. Ideally, take it when you wake at 3 a.m. or right before bed if you know you are prone to restlessness. Pairing it with a teaspoon of honey or a few sips of warm milk enhances its calming effect, creating a layered approach that addresses both the physical and chemical triggers of nighttime wakefulness. This combination begins to stabilize your body in multiple ways. Honey supports liver glycogen and prevents blood sugar dips. Warm milk nudges serotonin and melatonin production, and the banana directly eases the muscles and nerves that often betray us during sleep. Each step builds on the last, creating a sequence that your body starts to recognize as a signal for rest. Over time, these small, consistent actions can transform your nights from a cycle of frustration and fatigue into a rhythm of calm and predictable rest. It's a reminder that reclaiming your sleep is possible with simple, natural choices. And yet, even with the banana addressing muscles and nerves, another factor is quietly affecting your sleep: your gut. The bacteria in your digestive system communicate directly with your brain, influencing mood, stress, and the ease of falling back asleep. The next food in this sequence nourishes those good bacteria, helping your mind settle more effortlessly and complementing the benefits of honey, milk, and banana. Once we add this next step, the process of returning to deep sleep becomes even more reliable. Your body begins to recognize a pattern, and the restless 3 a.m. awakenings start to feel less like a nightly struggle and more like a temporary pause, one you can gently overcome. Now let's focus on the fourth food, Greek yogurt. By this stage, we've addressed blood sugar, neurotransmitters, and muscle tension. But one of the most overlooked factors in sleep is your gut. Your digestive system isn't just responsible for processing food, it communicates directly with your brain through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. Greek yogurt contains live probiotics like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, which help increase the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that lowers stress and quiets the nervous system. When GABA levels rise, your body naturally relaxes, heart rate slows, and your mind drifts towards the calm state necessary for deep sleep. For those who wake at 3 a.m. with racing thoughts or a tense stomach, this small natural intervention can be transformative. It's important to keep the portion small. Just a spoonful before sleep is enough. Larger servings can sometimes cause stomach discomfort or indigestion, which would undo the calming effect we're aiming for. Taken alongside the honey, warm milk, and banana from the previous steps, Greek yogurt acts as a gentle enhancer, reinforcing relaxation on multiple levels. Honey stabilizes blood sugar and prevents cortisol spikes. Milk increases serotonin and melatonin production. Banana relaxes muscles and nerves. And now yogurt nurtures the gut, encouraging your body to enter a deeper, more restorative sleep cycle. Each layer of this sequence builds on the last, creating a network of support that your body starts to recognize as a reliable signal for rest. Consistency matters. Over time, These small interventions train your nervous system to anticipate calm when you combine them, rather than tension or alertness. You start to notice subtle changes. Your mind doesn't spiral when you wake. Your muscles remain relaxed, and even the thought of waking at 3 a.m. doesn't trigger anxiety. You regain control over your nights in a way that feels natural and sustainable, without relying on medications or harsh sleep aids. This stepwise approach is empowering, showing that even in your 60s and beyond, you can take practical action to restore sleep quality. And yet, even with the gut and nervous system calmed, there's one final piece to this puzzle. The last food in our sequence doesn't just support rest, it actively triggers deep, restorative sleep. It's simple, natural, and effective, and it completes the sequence so that your body can truly settle into the uninterrupted rest you've been missing. Once we add this final food, the full rhythm of honey, warm milk, banana, and yogurt works in harmony, guiding your body and mind to sleep effortlessly, even if you've struggled for years with 3 a.m. awakenings. You're almost at the finish line, and the next step is the one that ties everything together. Finally, let's discuss the fifth and final food, a small spoonful of almond butter. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar throughout the night, preventing sudden dips that could trigger a stress response and wake you up at 3 a.m. They also contain tryptophan, the same amino acid we talked about in milk, which your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, key hormones for initiating and maintaining deep sleep. Taking just a spoonful about 30 to 45 minutes before bed is enough to provide these benefits without overwhelming your digestion or blood sugar balance. It's a simple, natural step that completes the sequence, supporting both chemical and physical pathways that prepare your body for rest. Now, let's take a moment to see how all 5 foods work together. The honey gently raises blood sugar and supports liver glycogen stores, preventing sudden cortisol spikes. Warm milk provides tryptophan, nudging serotonin and melatonin levels upward. Half a banana relaxes muscles and calms nerves with potassium and magnesium, while Greek yogurt feeds beneficial gut bacteria that communicate directly with the brain to lower stress and promote relaxation. Almond butter, finally, stabilizes blood sugar and supports melatonin production with healthy fats and tryptophan. Together, these 5 foods create a carefully layered approach. Each step addresses a specific reason why your body may wake in the middle of the night, and combined, they allow you to fall back asleep naturally without relying on medications or harsh supplements. Of course, food alone isn't the only factor in restoring your sleep. Small lifestyle changes can amplify these effects. Dim the lights before bed to signal your brain that it's time to wind down. Limit phone or tablet use, as blue light can interfere with melatonin production. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to reinforce your body's natural rhythm. These habits, paired with the 5 foods we've discussed, help create an environment where your nervous system, muscles, gut, and brain all recognize it's safe to rest. Over time, you'll notice nights becoming calmer, waking up fewer times, and feeling more refreshed in the morning. This is your roadmap to reclaiming sleep after 60. By following this sequence and layering supportive habits, you can finally break the cycle of early awakenings and restless nights. Imagine waking up energized, feeling calm in your body, and ready to embrace the day without the tension or fatigue that has held you back. It's a shift that feels subtle at first but becomes unmistakable with consistency, a nightly rhythm that supports your health, your mood, and your overall vitality. You're not just addressing sleep, you're giving your body the tools to feel renewed and in control. If you found this guide helpful, share your experience in the comments, let others know about these simple strategies, and subscribe for more actionable health tips designed for viewers over 60. Your journey to peaceful restorative sleep starts tonight, and with these 5 foods and small lifestyle adjustments, you can finally experience the calm, deep rest your body has been craving for years. Take charge, trust the process, and know that restful nights and energized mornings are within your reach.